Good morning, gentlemen. Today is 27th of December. We are carrying out this video on how to know your bad batteries among the 8 batteries. You can see we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is a 48 volts system? But we connect in series and also in parallel. That is to make it 8. So along the line, this battery is dropping on time. So we want to actually fish out the bad ones. We are going to use 2 methods before we start this battery test. We have to take the voltage of each of the battery without load. Then after that, we are going to turn off. This is the mains. Come with me. Just check this inverter. You can see it's showing that there is no input. If I turn if I turn this on, you can see that you have shown that there's an input. This is the mains. The mains is 205 volts. So right now we are going to turn off this mains so that we will not know that the appliance is going to be powered by only the battery and the inverter system. Here, this is our AC. This is okay. This is 100 amps is for the solar panel. For the solar panel, this is the DC. Why this is the AC? So we are going to turn the DC off, but let's wait first. Let's turn on our. We are going to turn all our load on before we turn the solar panel breaker off. So go with me right now. We are going to take reading of each of the battery. Please give me my multimeter. So thank you. This is our multimeter. So I'm going to be giving this book to somebody to help me to take reading in each of the battery. So go to the center page and take record for us. So right now I'm going to turn my meter. This is AC. This is a float meter. This is AC. No, we are not dealing with AC. Our battery is a DC. So we are taking it to DC. DC. Our multimeter is on DC. So I'm going to take each reading. I'm going to take each reading of each battery. Please document down for us. You can see I'm going to put it here. Let me put it here. Wow. I'm going to put it here. How to hang it. Okay, I go. This is it. This is our DC meter. So as you can see, this is the positive of the battery. You can see, come here. You can see this is the positive, and this other side is the negative. So I'm going to take each of the reading of each battery. Okay, so go to my meter. So it's giving us a. Please take reading for me.
30.49.
No, this is 30 point. Okay, it's not stable.
It's not stable.
Give me, please write for me. 30.56, or you can write 30.55. Okay, you can see 1. Have you taken?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to 2. This is plus. You can see this is the positive of the battery, and this is also the negative of the battery. So we are taking each of the reading. Okay. You see, it's giving us 12 point. This one is giving us 12 points. 12 point. You see? Okay, wait. You have to scripts. 12.32 is right. Wow. 12.32. So we are also here again. We are in the third one. So likewise, all the positive of the battery, they are one side. So you can see this is giving us 30.6. Okay, this is good. Okay, so we are going to the fourth one here. This is the positive, and we also have 30.58. Do you see? 30.58. So I'm going down. I started my read, please. I started my reading from this place 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm taking this as 5. In the case as I taking the reading, also take the reading as 5. Okay. Yes. So you can see my meter. I'm putting my meter down there. This is also the negative. So okay, we have, wow, this is 30.62. Can you see this? 30.62, 30.62. Okay, this is number 5. Please take down that number 5 down. So we are number 6. Please go to this side and face me. Go to this side and face me. So we are in number 6 now. We are number 6. This is 30.4, 30.3. This is 30.48. Okay, it's for 30. Okay, just say 30 points. Okay, then we are number 7. I'm going to number 7. Please face me, face me, face me. Don't turn your camera away from me. Okay. We have 30.56. You see? 30.56. Then we are going to number 8. Are you taking documents? This is 30.56. This is number 8. Number 8. 30.5. 30.42. Okay. So our number 2, we have to go back to our number 2. Our number 2 is giving us 12 point something. Am I right? 12 point what? 32. So let's go back and check before we turn back our. Okay. 12 point what? Yes, it's still giving us. We are going back to check. It's giving us 12. Let me also check. Okay. 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 So now you have the song is giving us 30 point something. So right now we are going to test. Everything is giving us 30 point something. So right now we are going to test with load. As the battery is draining down, the battery among them will come up. Is going to show that this battery is the one that is making it to drain down. But one thing about inverter, in front of us detect the battery that is coming down, that is draining down before it trip off. Other battery might be okay, but it will detect the bad one. And immediately detect the bad one, it will work with the bad one. So we are going to detect it now. So for now, just have to we are going to test the load now. Please, you can on all the load for us. Just on all the load for us. So I've turned the mains on. So we are turning all the load on. Okay. So right now I'm going to charge. You can see this is the charge controller. I'm going to turn off. I'm going to turn off the solar panel controller. Okay, you can see. Yes, it's showing warning that I've turned off the circuit breaker of the solar panel, so it's not working. This charge controller is not charging the battery because we want to power the. Please on all the industrial fan, all the AC, but the AC, just on the AC. This is a 10 kVA system. You can carry your air condition. So thank you. For now, just pause